guys, it's Milk Mustache here, and today we are unboxing the Lego Ninjago movie packet of Legos. Only 64, so it's not much. It's $4, so yeah. Today we're gonna be unboxing it. So yeah. Why did it crumple it up? So first we have to open it. I do not have scissors, so just wait a bit, I guess. Wait, no, it's got spiked stuff right here. Probably can't see, but yeah. So let's take this open. Get that. Okay. That's not much pieces at all. I think pieces keep falling around. Uh-oh. Look at that. Piece. I can't do that, but there's a piece over there. Oh, this is that piece of garbage. Okay. Guess we're looking for the pieces. Wow. Yeah. Guess we'll be looking for the pieces right now. Why are you waiting? Guess that's it. Huh. That is this. Don't need. So, bye-bye. So, that's all the pieces we have left. And here's the map. Not sponsored. Please like and subscribe too. So, yeah. Oh, also check out Everything Cute channel. I don't know why I'm saying this, but why not? Sure, whatever. Good job. There's not much steps at all. All this back facing back? Yeah. I'm not showing much content. But that's all you got. Probably very. So step 1. Which is right there, I think. I don't know what step 1 is. Where is step 1? Where is it? There's step 1. There you go. So find that and that. Okay. Okay, I guess we're gonna look for that now. Right here. This piece right here, and this piece right here. Oh no, that piece, which I cannot find. Oh, there it is. Okay, those 2 pieces. Okay, so this piece. And how's that a piece? I can't even find it. And this piece. Okay. Just put it together. Finally. This is so much work. And then you put one of these. I just dropped that. So one of these, and then we'll just put it on top. Okay. And put it on top. So just put them on this. Why can't I get it on? Oh, is it already on? Already on. So put it on. Next, and then you just put one of these on again. Easy peasy. Step 2. Step 3. Put this on. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Think that's good enough. I guess. And then one of these pieces just go straight on here. Or is it this way? Comment down below if it's which way. Huh. Check. It's good enough. Okay. That. You put one on here. Here. There's orange ones. It's an unboxing video, so please like and subscribe. Lots of people get lots of views on, so I'm doing one, yay. Yeah. And for you guys too. So, this piece on the other side. Did you know yet we are making this person right here? Yeah. Okay. That's all I have right here. The next step, you grab a 3x3 slab. 3x3 slab. Just put this off to the side. Slab. And then get one of these. Put it on the middle. Put it on the middle. Like that. If you do that, you put one of these. You need these two pieces right here. Put this on here. Snap that on. That's straight. And then put these right here and here. Like that. That. Just fall right off. And then right here. Okay. You can make 2 of those, so I'll just do that really quick. Where did that piece go? Right here. Yeah, there's a piece. Huh. Oh, nope. Okay, almost done. Okay. Keys falling off. They're gone. There you go. Okay, now that we have 2 pieces, we grab this and put it on like that. There and there. Did I put upside down? No, that's correct. Okay. She's like a challenge. If you want to see more unboxing videos like this, please like and subscribe. Ha 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 ha. Okay. after you do that, you grab this piece. One of these fell on the ground. So that piece and that piece. If you just saw a flash of light turn off, that was just a vacuum. Somehow I did that. So I don't know. Probably you're gonna be hearing a vacuum right now. Sorry, sorry. So on these two sides, which I think I did something wrong. Yeah, I did it wrong. Okay. If you just saw the video, you're actually not supposed to put these things on here. Put on here. And you probably didn't see that because I was on the side, so. Remember when I put it on here? No, I put it here. So. If you're going to wait to click me, just, you know what to do, just pause. Pause. Just shot flicker of light. Sorry for the vacuum going off, so sorry. Sorry for that content. The light noise. This is that noise. Okay, put that back on. Do that. Put these things on, which I already showed you, not told you, like your mom. Which I already told you. Wait a minute, did I just take it off and put it back on the same thing? And yes, I did. That was a dumb idea. Wow. Just wow. Okay. 10th like number, 4,000 million gajillion. We're finally putting together. Oh, this is a wheel. Probably didn't see any of what I just did. If you didn't see any of what I just did, sorry, because that's what you're supposed to do. And probably if you already saw this is a horrible idea. And actually, I'm not really looking at the camera much at all. I'm just doing everything I'm doing. So if I do this, that's just wasting time. Okay, you have that done. It's not really much of a wheel, but wow, just wow. Okay, let's try and grab it. So sorry about the vacuum. Okay, have it. Okay, next thing you do is off to the side, get one of these pieces right here. One of these pieces, and then put one of these things. Wait. One of these things on like this. Look at that. After you do that, put one of these things right here. One of these right here. Lots of work for just two pieces. Huh. Put like that, and then you put one of these glass slabs on here. Okay. And then you're done. You're done with this. So then you put this, and then put it on here. Looks cool, huh? Looks cool, huh? Well, if you want to see more of this content, please like and subscribe. And that's it for this video, even though there's more. Please like if you want part 2 of these, if you want it to be finished, or I am going to finish it and make a part 2 of these videos. So I can't make it. So we're actually, even if you don't like or subscribe, we're still going to make more videos of these.